Hello everyone! Today, we've got an essential topic many have inquired about: how to change your name on PayPal. It's quite a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you step by step. Begin by launching your preferred web browser, whether you're on mobile device or a desktop. The step will remain consistent. Next, visit the official PayPal website by typing in paypal.com in your browser address bar. Ensure you're on the official site to maintain security. Once you've arrived at the homepage, click on the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner. Now, enter your login credential to access your account. As you're in the dashboard, notice the three horizontal lines, often termed hamburger menu, on the upper left side. Tapping on this will open up several accounts options. Next, locate the gear or settings icon. This symbol is universally known for account or app settings. Clicking on it will redirect you to your account settings page. In this section, you'll find a plethora of options, but for our purpose, scroll until you find the Change Name option. Upon selecting, PayPal will prompt you with reasons for the name change. This is an essential step as it helps PayPal understand the nature of the change. Whether it's a legal name change, misspelling correction, or any other reason, select the one that fits best, then hit Next. Now, you'll be given fields to input your new name. Ensure it matches your legal documents, as PayPal places a high emphasis on account security and authenticity. Lastly, remember that you might need to upload an identification documents to validate your name change. This step is crucial to ensure the safety of all transactions on the platform. That concludes our guide for today. Changing your name on PayPal is that simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips. Thanks for tuning in.